Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Microsoft Whiteboard and signing in so your work syncs. Create a new board and immediately choose either a template or a blank canvas, depending on whether you need structure or freeform space. Once done, set sharing permissions and invite collaborators. This prevents lost edits and establishes who can draw or export. Make sure to name the board now so you can find it later, and pin it to your app list if you'll reuse it frequently. Next, add your core content. Use the pen and highlighter for quick sketches and annotations because they feel natural and encourage iteration. Insert sticky notes and images to capture distinct ideas, and apply grid or flow templates to structure complex information. This makes navigation and later export simpler. Then organize sections using frames, the ruler, and the lasso tool to group, resize, or move elements. This keeps the board tidy and readable for collaborators and streamlined. To finish, review the board end-to-end and clean stray marks so your exported file looks professional. Export using PNG, SVG, or the native whiteboard format and choose the correct export area. This preserves layout and image quality. Make sure permissions are set for viewers or editors and lock frames that shouldn't change. If something goes wrong, such as sync failures or missing edits, sign out and back in, force a manual save, or check your network. These quick steps resolve most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.